Hello and welcome to Nature Source Care. My name is Dr. Tonglen. I'm a naturopathic physician and a yoga instructor. And today I was going to share with you a meditation called the Blue Medicine Buddha meditation. And the picture here is actually, I guess I put this picture here because of the blue color. Blue is considered a very sacred color in a lot of Eastern traditions. This blue seed in my hand is actually the covering of a Rudraksha seed. So you might find Rudraksha seeds if you ever, you'll find her different sorts of like sacred jewelry and even malas. So like chains of these so that people can count the number of mantras that they're chanting. And it comes from the Eleocarpus ganatris tree, which is an evergreen. And I actually very shockingly came across one when I was visiting Hawaii, of all places. But the characteristic blue color is really just amazing. So I thought I'd share that. Very special moment, in a photograph with you. So let's get into the meditation here. This picture, by the way, this painting I found as an image when I Googled Blue Medicine Buddha, and it's from Laura Santi's Sacred Arts page on Etsy, which I thought was actually very beautiful. I have no relationship with her. I assume it's her. I haven't bought a painting from her, but she has lots of good reviews, so I just want to make sure that she got credit for this image. In any case, the Blue Medicine Buddha meditation, the essence of it is that we're really all connected, even though in many ways we tend to see differences between everybody. So it's a way to reconnect with that. Just feeling and knowing that we are all connected. And the other thing is that we all have a healer within ourselves. So whether we're sort of professionally a healer, like a physician or a nurse or a chiropractor or a podiatrist or whoever, we all have some healing power, energy within us. So it's also a good reminder of that. I happened to learn this meditation from Professor Robert Thurman. You may have heard of him. He was actually a professor of Buddhist studies at Columbia University for 30 years and recently retired. He was the first Western Tibetan Buddhist monk ordained by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So that's pretty impressive. And if you don't know his work, in the field of Tibetan and Buddhist studies, he's also the father of the actress Uma Thurman. So she has a very interesting family lineage that she comes from. So let's get into the meditation. So if you want to find yourself a comfortable place to sit or lie down so that your spine is straight, so you could take a full breath, go ahead and do that. And then go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another breath in and exhale. And slowly bring your energy back to yourself, wherever your energy has kind of spun out already today, to different conversations or activities or thoughts, concerns. Bring your energy back to the core of yourself. And another breath. And with the next breath, what I would ask for you to do is to bring into your mind the picture of a Buddha with a very serene face, perhaps a little bit of protruding belly, and also that this Buddha in your mind is a beautiful, bright, but deep color of blue, like a deep part of the ocean. And this Buddha is shining. And you can not only see, but you can feel this energy emanating from this blue Buddha. And the energy is calming and restoring and balancing, neutralizing. So these rays of light start to come off the Buddha as you're absorbing this energy, partaking in this energy. And you start to notice that with each ray that's a blue ray that's coming off the Buddha, at the end of that ray is a figure of a person. And you see at the end of one ray is a primary care physician. And you see at the end of another ray is a dentist. And you see a ray at another end. The end of another ray you see is a obstetrician. And at the end of another ray you see a nurse. And at the end of another ray you see a surgeon. So each blue ray coming off this blue medicine Buddha is actually a different type of healer. But they're all connected. Modern times and modern worlds, they may have differences of opinion, different paradigms that they work from. But as we can see from this blue medicine Buddha, that ultimately on the deepest level we're all connected. They're all just a channel or vehicle for divine healing energy. See another ray of blue light, an acupuncturist at the end of that ray. And you see another blue ray of light and a massage therapist at the end of that ray. And again, all of these figures, right, that we see walking down the street or in their offices that we go to visit, they're all in their own way, in their own style, connecting to some force such as this blue medicine Buddha, and bring it forward to help and serve other people. You might see another blue ray, and it might be somebody who just maybe a family member, maybe a friend, who just always seems to have the right thing to say, or gives a really great hug, or always has a warm smile. That is another emanation, another manifestation of this medicine energy, blue healing light. And as these blue rays of light are moving, swirling a bit around, you might notice at the end of one of these blue rays of light is that there's actually an image of yourself. That might be a little bit surprising. But it's also an invitation. How can you as a person, not necessarily with a specific license, but how can you be a healing energy, healing force to the people that you encounter? Maybe it's just sharing a joke and uplifting their spirit. Maybe it's just being present when they speak and deeply listening to their story. Maybe it's just calling somebody to check up on them and make sure they're doing okay. Right? These are just more blue rays of light coming from the blue medicine Buddha. Because again, we're all healers in some way or another if we allow ourselves to be. So if you are feeling a bit depleted, or maybe you're a healthcare professional and you're feeling a bit depleted, this is a way to plug into that greater energy that you're a part of, to renew and restore yourself so that you can continue to serve others. Take a deep breath in. Really let that blue healing light into your mind, into your body, your heart, your spirit, your consciousness. Take a breath in, and the blue light goes into the cells and the tissues and even your DNA. Take a deep breath in. Allow any obstacles or resistances to just simply dissolve, so that you have more of this healing energy available to you and available from you as you walk through your world and walk through your day. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another deep breath in and exhale. And one more breath. And exhale. You can slowly start to move your fingers and your toes, help you transition back to this time and space. And you can open your eyes when you feel ready. Maybe stretch a little bit. But what Dr. Thurman mentioned when he presented this meditation is that this is the way that healthcare professionals in Tibet start their day before they work with patients. And it may be, I don't remember, they may also end their day with it, but I know that they certainly start their day with this meditation, which is very profound. And it also helps to prevent things like burnout and compassion fatigue and that sort of thing, because it's very easy as people doing our best to serve others to try to do it from our own power and get exhausted that way. And it helps to remember that there's something greater and larger than us that's supporting us in our work and our efforts to serve humanity. So there you go, the Blue Medicine Buddha meditation. So thank you for being here. As always, I appreciate your time and your interest in healing yourself, perhaps healing others, but just, whenever you bring yourself into greater balance and peace and joy and harmony, it's always there, but whenever you reconnect with it, it actually, people can feel the difference around you, and maybe you even notice that right after you do a meditation like this, that the people around you act a little bit different, or your pets, your children might act a little bit different, and that's because they actually feel this energy themselves. They may not recognize it or know what it is, but you can see changes in the beings around you. So again, thank you for your time, and until the next one, take care. Namaste.